Before simply piano. Day 1 of Simply Piano. Day 5 Simply Piano. What teachers teach you. What they put on assignment. What quizzes look like. What they put on test. What you use in real life. What if Rubik's cubes had levels? What if Rubik's Cube was magic? What if Rubik's Cubes was a video game ad? 99% of people can't solve this. If you can, you might be a genius. What if Rubik's Cubes was a language?